You might not realize how easy it is to install a ceramic soap dish to an existing tub shower wall.
The first thing you need to do is remove an entire tile so you have room to put in the soap dish. And you can start by punching a series of holes with a nail set along the tile and then drilling through those holes. So we'll begin by marking the tile with the nail set.
These marks don't have to be neat. They're there just to give the bit a place to start drilling. Then use a carbide tip masonry bit to drill through the tile but not into the wall. Next, complete the X-shaped pattern using a cold chisel and hammer. Connect the dots and crack the tile into pieces, then pry the pieces of the tile off the wall.
Well, once you remove the tile pieces and before you can install the soap dish, you have to smooth the surface with the cold chisel and then scrape away any loose chips.
Now it depends on how old the tile is and how it was installed on the wall will determine how difficult it is to remove the particular tile you're working on. Now older tile like this is pretty tough. Newer installations will generally be installed on cement backer board. That's a lot easier.